Hi everyone, so let's make sweet potato broccoli stir fry. This is a must try recipe. It was super delicious with some easy ingredients that you can use it on a daily basis. So let's get started. We'll start with making ginger garlic chili paste. So ginger amount is twice than garlic. Always remember that. And we are also taking some green chili. So we are going to discard any hard part that we have it in ginger. And do not discard the hard part, okay? Wash it and then you can air dry it and store it in the container, or you can do it like what I do. I usually peel them off, wash it and use it the next day or the same day to make my tea. It makes super delicious tea. Do not throw it out. And if you have any a smooth part on the ginger, save them or keep them on. Do not discard them, okay? And over here, if you press it down, you are going to easily remove if you press it down with your two hands, once you hear the sound, click sound, that means it's separating from the skin. And now you can remove the skin easily. So that's how you are going to remove all the skin. We are also going to remove the stems from chilies and wash it to make ginger garlic chili paste. Now if you add vinegar inside, you can store your ginger garlic paste for 2 to 3 weeks in the fridge. Over here I'm going to take sweet potato with some peppers, and I'm also going to use some broccoli later on. You are just going to chop them and leave them on the side. Over here I'm just taking some oil, add cumin seed, carom seed, curry leaves. When you add curry leaves, please close the lid, otherwise it's going to splatter everywhere. And now stir a little bit. Make sure your oil is spread everywhere, okay? Now add some, in a separate container, add some coriander, cumin powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder and salt. Leave the spices on the side. Over here, our cumin seed has turned brown, so we are going to add some Astafatida, and do not wait too long. Immediately add our sweet potato. And our freshly grinded ginger garlic chili paste. Make sure you use the fresh one because fresh one makes a huge difference, and rest of the paste is going in the fridge. And you can add one teaspoon of vinegar, stir it really well, and add some oil if you have to, and you can store it in the glass container and it would last about 2 weeks. And now we are going to cook your sweet potato for 3 to 5 minutes. Over here you can see our vegetables are ready. I just need to chop them. Now after 3 to 5 minutes we are going to add our prepared spices and stir it really well so that our spices are coated on our sweet potato. And at this time you are going to make sure your sweet potatoes are almost halfway cooked, because we are going to add some broccoli now and we don't want to overcook our broccoli. Now to be noted, this is a frozen broccoli that's been thawing in the room temperature for 5 minutes, and I don't want to overcook them because they tend to get cooked faster. So after you stir, close the lid and cook it for 1 to 2 minutes. Now add our peppers that we chopped earlier. Now stir it really well. Now our peppers are not going to take that much time, okay? So we just need to make sure that our sweet potato is cooked at this moment. So I think they were a little raw, but in order to make sure, I had to eat a little bit just to make sure if they were completely cooked or not, so that I could add the rest of the spices. So I'm going to use my spoon over here and I'm going to eat a little bit just to make sure that they were cooked. And now they were cooked, so I'm going to add my rest of the ingredients, which is black salt, Amchoor powder or mango powder, Kastoori Methi. Whenever you add Kastoori Methi, please rub it against your palm so that they turn into a little bit powderish, just like this with your fingers, and add that. And now at the end, whenever you add Garam Masala, please turn off the flame, because whenever the flame is on and you add Garam Masala, the flavor is going to be disappear. So now I have turned off the flame because it's time to add Garam Masala. Do not add everything, okay? The rest of the ingredients you just need to sprinkle it, because this sabji so serving size is only 2 people, so that's why I'm just sprinkling everywhere everything. Now here I did not have enough cilantro, so what I had to do is I had to add some fresh, and some of them I had to take it out from the freezer. So my motive is that whenever you have any extra cilantro, you can always put it in the freezer. You can take a Pyrex jar and layer it up, very lightly layer them up so that they are separated like this. And now you can garnish it with cilantro, and as you can see, you cannot even tell that this is a frozen one. So that's a tip that I wanted to share it with you. And now stir everything. Now it's ready. You can eat it with chapati, naan or puri. It's super delicious. I hope my video was helpful to you. Let me know if you have any questions and concerns. Thanks for watching. Bye.